Most therapists think that getting the hours and studying to become a certified hand therapist is so hard that they put it off or they write themselves off completely. You know, there are less than 8,000 certified hand therapists worldwide. So the majority of us working towards becoming a CHT never worked with a CHT, and we worked in a variety of settings. Personally, I started in a skilled nursing facility, then spent the majority of my time in acute care before moving into a hospital outpatient setting where I got the remainder of my hours to be eligible to sit for the exam. But from there, that's when I started building my experience, became a CHT, and continued to build my experience. I didn't exclude myself from this goal just because I didn't have a direct path, like sometimes people tell you. Like, I didn't get that job right out of college. So I would encourage you, do not exclude yourself either if becoming a certified hand therapist is something that you value for yourself. You don't need to track your hours perfectly. You don't need to treat a ton of flexor tendon injuries or work in a doctor's outpatient setting. Like, those are just, some things that people say, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to know how to use your experience and how to study in a way that makes it easier for you. Specifically, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how to use your experience to study for the exam that's going to make it easier. I'm hosting a free live masterclass, How to Become a CHT No Matter Your Experience. It's going to be December 13th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you have to do is click the link, register. In this live training, I want to share with you how to make studying easier no matter what setting you work in. You could be in different settings, move into outpatient, you can be in peds doing hands. We have so many varieties and so much variety in terms of our experience. If you work with patients with 2 hands and 2 arms, it really comes down to the intention behind your treatments that allow you to continue to build your experience. You have to understand the anatomy, the nature of the injury, the nature of the tissue, and then you have to be able to apply that into treatment. So when you use my frameworks and tips to study, you'll see how much easier it is going to be for you, so that you know that you currently know more than you give yourself credit for, right? You're going to walk away from this masterclass understanding what makes your experience eligible for the CHT. I want to help you understand how you can use your work experience to your advantage. I'm going to share with you my focus framework that chunks out the exam blueprint. I'm going to share with you what resources that you can use to help prepare for the exam. And the most important thing, a proven curriculum that helps you study all the topics in a particular order that helps, again, makes it easier for you. Of course, it's best to be there live because there's no replay this time. So click the link, join me. I've helped hundreds of therapists successfully study, feel happy about their career, and finally have the career growth, and I want you to have that too.